Hello, I just got my new iPod Nano and it's green as you can see. It's 16 gigabytes and I will make an unboxing video for you guys today. So first of all, you see this orange thing, you peel that off. It's pretty tight. Comes off. And then there's another tape back here. I don't want to take that off, so it opens up like that. And then here's your Nano on its thing. I don't know what you call that. It says designed by Apple in California inside. Something that's made in USA, not China. Hello. And quick start guide. Apple stickers. Manual thing. More stuff that no one cares about really. Here's your lightning adapter. And then here are your new headphones. This thing is biodegradable, so you can chuck it in the water and have it help the nature. So don't throw this away in the trash if you're going to throw it away. Just chuck it in water. Thank you for watching and please subscribe.